students across California have begun an adventure with Twig Science that will change their lives. Twig Science is the only program built from scratch to deliver the California Next Generation Science Standards. So no wonder we're the #1 program in California. And now, as parents, you can make sure your child is part of the adventure by recommending Twig Science to your superintendent or board of education. Twig Science prepares students for careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics by enabling them to experience over 30 STEM roles. They'll be chemists, astronomers, and coastal engineers. They'll go from working with a Hollywood special effects department to mapping real-life earthquakes as they happen all over the world. They'll engage with scientists and engineers from all walks of life, doing work they can relate to. No program recognizes the diverse population of California more than Twig Science. With Twig Science en Español and additional multilingual films in Mandarin, Arabic, and more. And with social and emotional learning threaded throughout, every student can successfully collaborate to deliver STEM projects they are truly proud of. And experience aha moments they'll never forget. Recommend Twig Science and change your child's life today.
That's awesome.
Whoa! That is cool. That is cool.